This lady's failing in her attempt to climb an icy hill. But on the plus side, she's absolutely nailing her attempt to slide straight down it. Go on, have another go. That's it.
No. Ree, onto the grass, Ree!
See you at the bottom! Maybe this explorer will fare better. No, of course not. Why do you think he's on this show? Uh-oh, the fence, the explorer's nemesis. The key is stay calm and take it slowly. And do the opposite to what this guy's doing.
Jak se cítí?
Přivolejte toho záklí, kde už to dalo si tu nohu, vole.
Asi už je to roztržený. Dobrý.
You said it. Check out this explorer getting a close-up view of that waterfall. And an even closer-up view of that freezing cold river.
That guy fell in.
He was later taken to hospital with a severely bruised ego. The important thing when you're exploring is to listen to advice.
Careful, it's slippery.
Which, sadly, is advice not everyone listens to. But our most ridiculous explorers have to be this pair, who seem to have mistaken a waterfall for a water slide. Yeah, maybe bring a snorkel next time. Time now for Maisie's MVP, where the P stands for plonker. And this week, it's this green-fingered guy and his mate behind the camera.
I took the blade off his mower. Let's see him push that mower back and forth.
Yes, his friend has done the gardening dirty on him and taken his blade out of the mower. Let's see how long it takes him to twig.
Here he goes.
He's no deadhead. He knows something's up.
It sounds strange too. He's checking the tire pressure.
Yeah, could be the tyre pressure. Or it could be your two mates filming you and laughing their heads off. It's a tricky one.